Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Scan. You are watching Scan Tech Tips. Today we are going to talk about clipboard history. It is a very important feature and that can help you in a lot of ways. To enable this feature, all you have to do is go to your settings, or you can press the start button and then type. You will see clipboard settings all open all here. Now press enter. This will bring you in this page. Enable this option, and if you use multiple PC laptops, you can enable this one. It will do what? It will sync all your clipboard history in those PC or devices. So let's see how it works. I will open Word. Now I am opening one more program. Brave. Let's suppose we need to make a project or an article or a research for our work. I am taking this article for our testing. It is about Cretaceous period. So here we go. We don't need all this article. We will take a few parts of it, and this is the use. So let's go. We will pick this and then press right click and then copy this. And now I'm going to copy not this part. I will copy this part. Something went wrong. I copied this one, and I will copy this part. After that, I'm going to copy I will copy this one. Now let's clear it out. Now instead of pressing Ctrl plus V, I am going to press Windows plus V. What it does, it will show all our last copied option text right here. You can see it. I take this paragraph. Now I can choose what I want. Like this, and There you go. So now you may understand what this does. It just keeps all your previous copied text history. So you don't need to go back and copy it again and paste again and again. You will copy it all at once and use it as you wish. So this is the feature, and it helps a lot and give us a very good time saving opportunity. Think if you go back and forth how much time it will take, and it does save. So this is it. I'm going to close this one now. I will save it. There you go, it is saved. So this video ends here. I hope you like this and you understand what clipboard history does. If you don't, leave the comment here in the comment box. I will try and solve your query. If you like our video, press like and then smash that subscriber button. See you all later in the next video. Have a good day.